show?
Our channel.
Our channel. What is that?
Orange juice.
Can I have some?
Go ahead.
Thanks.
I mean, you was about to drink something anyway. So
I was definitely gonna drink anyway.
you got a whole drink right there. Today we're gonna be doing questions and answers.
Question and answers.
Questions and answers.
We're about to do a Q&A.
Or A and Q. Answers, then we going into the questions.
We just gonna have an answer and they gotta match it with the question.
Yeah. 6 years ago, it's on the cake. What you think the question for that is?
How do we? Bro, I don't like it like that. That's not no fun. Excuse you. We got some pizza, y'all. It's bugs out here.
You wanna go in the house?
Okay. So. The first question is, if you could live anywhere, where?
Aruba.
Where's that at?
Africa. It is. How that? Yeah.
Something about two.
You didn't know Aruba was in Africa?
You was gonna tell me something about two?
What? Oh, those open too. Like, what the fuck?
Okay. I'm not really geographical. So I don't know where it's at, to be honest with you.
Basically saying she don't know nothing else but Ohio.
I ain't been nowhere.
That's wild. You ain't never been nowhere out of Ohio? Nowhere.
Kentucky.
What the fuck? She was shooting the crib. Hitting the road. Bringing back the blues.
Our first date. Where's our first date?
Your fucking movies. Alright, second
Damn, I was going to Dave and Buster's. Our first date was the movies. It was like hella motherfucking late. Random ass date.
I told her to come over. And what the fuck she do? Came the fuck over.
What's your mouth?
I got.
It says, yeah, eat that pizza. Eat that pizza. How close are y'all?
Like, we that close.
Basically. They want some.
I'm done eating.
I'm not. That's mine. I'm about to eat that. Why are you calling me? I'm still eating it.
This shit all in my way.
Alright.
Go ahead.
No, I'm about to eat the sub. I'm about to eat the sub. They're ghetto as fuck. I always had it in a box. Who put it in foil?
We got Domino's.
Say Domino's, but alright. How was it when y'all met each other's parents, family, etc.?
I was nervous as fuck. I'm gonna catch you.
They can't hear you.
I was nervous as fuck.
Why do you keep cursing? When I met your mom, it was odd as fuck, bro. It was random. It was really random. I was not prepared to meet your mom.
And what?
I wasn't even your girlfriend.
What did I just drink?
She was like, you can come down here. Do you remember that? She started asking me all these questions.
Because that's when I was like right after my hot boy stage. It's empty. Oh. Hey, that cup is beastly because it says love 3 times.
Love.
And we in triple love. I'm about to get in the jacuzzi.
Me too. After we're done with this.
Nah, it's too hot for that shit.
Favorite thing to do together?
Sleep.
Taking a nap.
It's the same thing.
I know, but we said the same thing. That's funny. Kids. It's so
3.
how many? 5?
3.
5.
2 boys and a girl.
We're having 5. 1 or 5. No in between. We're having 1 girl or 5 kids.
And ain't out of them 5, ain't none of them gonna be a girl.
Guess one's gonna be a girl.
She thinks she my mom.
What? We're gonna have 1 kid. It's gonna be a girl.
5 kids. 1 girl.
I can't tell y'all her name yet.
It's on my
Something y'all love or hate about each other. Go first.
I love.
Don't say nothing ignorant.
I love everything about this girl. Only thing I hate, I don't even hate nothing. Only thing that's like bothers me, it should be overreacting.
All right, that's enough of you.
This is wax.
Only thing I
Not my ear.
only thing I hate about Marquand, this trucker is never on time to nothing.
Don't tell them that.
No, they need to know. They need to know
Why?
the real. But already said yes. He's not on time for nothing. If you tell Marquand to be somewhere at 2 o'clock, he don't leave the house till 2:03.
I drive fast.
That doesn't matter. You're supposed to be there at 2. Something I love. I ain't gonna say the same thing as you. I do love everything, but I like when he laughs. Not like that. Your real laugh. Nickname for each other? Babe.
Bando.
And if I'm mad, Quan.
And if I'm mad,
He know I'm mad. I'd be like,
I
Quan.
don't say nothing when I'm mad.
It's empty. You got stuff on your face. Pizza. Do I? Because I just had something in my tooth. You didn't say nothing.
No, you good.
Okay. I'm smooth. What do y'all do when y'all bored?
What question are we on?
I was just going random.
How do you know when this question
They
is?
said, what are we doing when we're bored, babe?
I sleep.
Together. Us together.
Oh. Sleep? The fuck?
Why don't we be bored around each other? I don't think so. I ain't really bored when I'm around
Because we
you.
stay active.
I don't get it. Give my phone.
Baby, active, burning calories.
I want to go to the pool.
We about to. Are we not?
Yeah. Whose pool I'm about to go to?
The Instagram update? Why I look like this? Where's my thing at? Where's my archive? It's not a question, but y'all really cute AF together. Thanks, Pooh.
Shout them out.
Poetic Mila.
At Poetic Mila.
Period, Pooh. Bob. Somebody said, are you famous? No.
Hell yeah. Niggas know me.
Okay, shut up.
You know I got that sauce.
What
I got
made-
more sauce than ragu.
Shut up.
Think about it.
What made y'all do YouTube? I wish y'all the best. Because we...
She probably didn't find that joke funny, but I did.
I did.
I fuck with YouTube. Watch y'all videos on YouTube. Shout out YouTube. Shout out all the pairs.
And shit like that. Shout out to all the parents.
Hey, everybody keeps saying, when did we meet? 2013, 14.
2013.
2013.
A long time ago those days.
How old was you? I was 12.
I was 9.
You were 9? I was 12 and you were 9?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to go with that. We're just going to
I
leave
was
them.
14 or some shit like that. Bro,
I
I
was
was
12.
13 when I first met you.
And I was 12.
No.
We're not that far apart. Literally, I'm 18 and you would just turned 20.
And you just turned 18.
How long y'all been together? We just got together.
7 months.
Marquand been trying to be my boyfriend for...
I meant
Ever.
7 years, not 7 months.
But you said it. You was correct. 7 months.
I was?
I think December. Yeah, 7 months.
It's not
Marquand been
July.
trying to be my boyfriend forever, y'all, and I didn't give him a chance. Poor baby.
She's lying.
I tried to get more corn chance, y'all,
She's
but
lying.
it didn't work out that way. But this is God's plan. Look at us now. Favorite food? What's your favorite food, babe? Tacos.
No.
What? Don't say nothing ignorant.
It's not tacos though.
It is.
It's really not. It's you. JK. What was the question?
I forgot. Ask me something, babe.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
I mean, what's my favorite color?
Red.
Oh, favorite food. That's what we was talking about.
Oh, yeah, we was.
Yeah, my shit tacos. What's yours?
Any
Tacos?
Mexican food. I like rice. All kind of rice. Thanks for watching our video.
Tuna fucking fuck, nigga.
Whoa.
Sorry, nah.
Like, subscribe, comment, all that. Enjoy our videos.